Hey Joe, this is Andrew. I spoke with Linda over there, and she said that you would be the person to send this over to. This has got some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence and get more business in the door. If you take what you see here and you implement it on your own, no harm, no foul. You decide you need help with further implementation, would be happy to discuss. Either way, I would appreciate your feedback. Going to talk about three things. Going to talk about citations, content, and links. So what I did was I typed into the Google search bar roof replacement, Dixon, Tennessee. And this is what's come up. You have the organic section or the sponsored ads right here. You have the map listing or the Google business profiles right here, which I see you guys are in the number 2 spot for Dixon. That's awesome. And then you have the organic section down here where you are in the number 2 spot for, which is also awesome for Dixon. Going to kind of show you some tips that would help you get ranked in other areas other than Dixon to help increase traffic. So in order to get into the top 3 spots of surrounding areas other than Dixon, you want to actually go out and get all of the citations that other companies have that you don't. And then you want to get citations in addition to that so that you can really solidify your top spot in these top 3. And all a citation is your business name, phone number, and address listed in directories like Yelp, Mana, Angie's, even Facebook, and are pointing back to your business. So you want to go and get those. And the reason that this matters to you, Joe, is that anytime somebody searches for a service that you offer, like the way that I just did, 90% of those people are clicking on the top 3 spots of either the map pack right here or the organic search down here. So it's very important that you're getting in those top 3 spots for sure. Um, took a look at your website. We're going to talk about content in terms of this. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words or more worth of content on your home page. Uh, that's kind of the sweet spot for them, and they like to see upwards of 10 pages worth of content that's relevant to your field. So I see you're just under that 1,500 word threshold. Looks like on your homepage, and you guys are sitting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages worth of content. So if you were to just add a couple of pages and to add some content to that homepage, you would be more in that sweet spot for what Google likes to rank people for. Another big thing is that anywhere you have a picture on your website like this one, you can actually, excuse me, yeah, you can actually save those images as keywords or phrases that people are actually looking for, and it helps you rank for those specific things. So taking a look at this image real quick, it's not saved as a buyer intent keyword. See that up there? It just has metal in it. So you need to save these images as a buyer intent keyword so that that can help you rank for those specific things. Going to show you why all of this matters. What I did was I took your website and then a competitor I know of in the area that serves Nashville and surrounding areas, including Dixon, and show you what that looks like. So taking a look at yours first, let's talk about links. Links are just one big popularity contest when it comes to Google, and they're not all created equal. So if you have a link from, say, Pizza Hut, it's not going to give you as much popularity as if, say, another roofing contractor or construction company was to link back to you guys and say you guys do good work. So it's all about quality versus quantity. So I took your website and that competitor I was talking about, Don Kennedy Roofing, and I put it in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this shows me the backside of your website. So you have 44 links coming from 26 different websites. You're ranking for 10 keywords right now, and you have about 1 to 5 people every month coming to your website. Now, looking at a competitor just to show you what you're missing out on, they have 1,200 links coming from 117 different websites. They are ranking for 626 keywords. They're in the top 3 for 35 of those keywords, and they're getting 1,400 people every month coming to their website, Joe, looking for what their services. So you don't need everything that they have, but you do want the links that are relevant to the areas that your business serves so that you can get your piece of the traffic you're missing out on every month. because you want to add that to your bottom line for sure. Anyways, Joe, I hope this helps. Like I said, you implement it on your own. No harm, no foul. You decide you need help with further implementation, would be happy to discuss. Either way, I would appreciate your feedback. You have a good day, Joe. Bye bye.